Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right. We've got Doritos, believe it or not. We've got some pinto beans. We've got 2 eggs, sourdough, bread, some salsa, shredded cheese, seasonings, butter and olive oil. What the heck are you making today, Mike? Well, you saw the intro. I'm gonna make a Dorito egg bean sandwich. What more to say? You know, I've made concoctions with eggs using, corn chips before, using leftover tortillas. Might as well try Doritos. Now these babies are the original taco flavor. I can't wait to put this guy together. All right, we have a medium pan. Put some butter in there. A little olive oil in there. Now we're gonna take some Doritos and sweat them down, okay? It's that simple. Put this a little at medium-low. While that's happening, a little garlic powder, a little onion powder, and just a little cumin. Just a little. Cumin goes a long way. I'm not kidding. Let's mix those up. We don't want them we want them a little like flimsier than just regular. Okay, while that's happening, let's get the beans together. All right, we're gonna put a little olive oil in these beans and give them the same stuff. A little onion powder, a little garlic powder, a little cumin. Now I'm gonna smash them. Mix and smashy. What I'm gonna do to get them a little more easier to smash, I'm gonna put them in the microwave for 30 seconds. I'll see you then. All right, you can see these are a little hot, easier to smash up. It's almost like making an easy way of refried beans. These are just pintos from a can with nothing but pinto bean flavor. Okay, let's get back to those eggs and I'll show you what I do next. Did I say eggs? I meant back to the Doritos. All right, you're probably asking yourself, what's going on? What's all that stuff? Well, that's the Dorito ingredients. You want to see some snap, crackle, and pop? Watch this. Put a little water in here. Oh, baby. This will give them kind of a, woo! That'll help get them moisture, a little more limp. And that works. That's how you do it. Be careful. Lower that a little. Let's add these beans. Something's happening. Take these eggs. Take these eggs, give them a little mix, just like that. Okay, we're not going to add those yet. You taste one and see. You want to keep some of the firmness, but not that complete firmness. This is getting there. Again, these are not burnt. That's just the color they're going to make. Okay, now it's time for the eggs. And let's mixy-schmixy those. Make sure that's a little medium-low. Let's add a little pepper. Let's get the cheese going. All right, mix them, lift them around. You won't believe how delicious this is going to be. Here's the other crazy part, a little salsa. Save some for the final. It's all coming together. We're going to try to get it. Now you don't even have to put this in a sandwich, but since I'm the sandwich king, that's what I do. You want all this egg done. You want to get the salsa integrated and let that sit there. In less than a minute, this baby will be done. I'll meet you at the counter, put this together. Little butter on both sides. Here's that concoction. Now people say, that looks stupid, Mike. Wait till you taste it. The color is kind of weird, but that's gonna taste good. I think I made enough for leftovers. Finish it off with just a little fresh salsa. little cooler right on top. Here's the flipperoo. We're gonna center it. You guys ready for the sliceroo? And here's the famous reveal. Look at that. There's your close-up. Right there. Big bite coming up. There it is. It's got Doritos, got eggs, got beans, got some cheese. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Is it gonna be crazy? We'll see. It also has salsa. You don't even have to put this on bread. You can just eat it as a little side dish. But the Doritos shine through. The salsa tastes great. The eggs and cheese are creamy. The beans and the eggs will give you protein. The beans are creamy. A little Latino flair. Ooh. Try stuff like this. It's worth it. It's great. This is delicious. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. Keep living life 365. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
I'm not kidding about this one. I'm not kidding about it. I'm not kidding this time. I've kidded in the past, but not this time. That's it for the butter. Usually say for the pepper, but that's... It's gonna... all bite. Everything's creamy. The butter's creamy. I'll take two. Mommy. 365 Babu. I'm going to give a shout out to Earl by saying Baba.